Now let's go ahead and put some tabs that will work similarly to the ones we created in the landing page web. However, this time they're going to look a bit different from the ones we placed in the landing page web. So let's go to the components file, and just after the tabs web, I am going to create a stateful widget and call it tabs mobile. It's gonna accept two variables, the text one and the root one. Now let's add the formal parameters. They are required parameters, so let me write add required before them. And let's call the tabs mobile from the landing page mobile. Here we need to give it a text, which is going to be home, and the root will have a slash as it's the name of the home root. Now at this point, we can head back to the components section and return a material button here instead of the container. I'm gonna work on this onPressed function a bit later. So for now, let's set the elevation of the material button to 20.0 and give it a shape of the rounded rectangle border. Inside it, I will be giving the border radius of border radius.circular and setting it to 5.0. And let me set its height to 50.0 and the min width to 200.0. Inside the child, we are going to have a text widget, and we are gonna put a text parameter here. Let's tap into the style and put Google Fonts.Open Sans, set the font size to 20.0 and the color to colors.white. I will also change the color of the material button to colors.black. Finally, let's run it. Let's wait a few seconds. Here it is. Let me reduce the size of the browser then. Now, when we click on the drawer, we can observe that our button appeared, and it is exactly where we wanted it to be. So, just like this, let's add the rest of the tabs in the landing page mobile. First of all, let me put a sized box with a height of 20.0 and call the tabs mobile again. However, this time I want to write works in the text, and in the root I am gonna type /works. I am yet to give the roots for the works, but I will do it soon. Now give it a sized box with the height of 20.0, then call the tabs mobile again. This one will be blog with the root /blog. Don't forget about a comma. Then put a size box with the height of 20.0. Call Tabs Mobile again. The text has to be about, and the root is going to be /about. Call the size box again, followed by the Tabs Mobile. Write contact and /contact here. Finally, give it a size box with a height of 40.0. Let's run it and see what we get. So you can see that most of the widgets are in place and the drawer starts to look better. Now at this point, how about we give some additional buttons so that will make it a bit easier for the people to contact us via social media, just like we did it in the landing page web.